This is a hard-hinge Conquest GT27SP Super Precision, serial number 672. This machine has had a great amount of work done to the machine to bring it to its present condition. It has 10 millionths offsets, 10 millionths resolution, cutting straight to less than 1/10 of an inch. Some of the replacement items that have been replaced are a new LCD on the control, 2 replacement brand new windows, a brand new spindle and bearings, new X and Z ball screws, and new X and Z linear guides. This machine is available for live demonstration or via Zoom, Skype, or FaceTime with 24 hours advance notice.